Do you see this softy and fluffy sweet potato flatbread? I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Rosina. حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. Welcome back to Let's Cook with Rosina. It's lovely to see you again as usual, and I hope I find you very well today. Homemade sweet potato flatbread is a delicious 2-ingredient side dish. It's a vegan, fat and oil-free, yeast-free, and full of fibers and vitamins. This easy sweet potato flatbread is versatile and you can eat it with anything really. It goes well with grilled vegetables, with roasted chicken, roasted meat, with stews, curries, and soups and salad, or wrap it with your favorite fresh herbs and cheese. So let's get started. The color of the sweet potato won't impact your sweet potato flatbread. All varieties will work, such as orange sweet potato, that's most common, yellow sweet potato, and purple sweet potato. So to make sweet potato flatbread, you only need 2 main ingredients: 1 cup cooked and mashed sweet potato and 1 cup plain flour. Wash sweet potatoes, place them in a pot. Add water and cook on stovetop until soft and fork tender. Then drain the water, let them cool down a bit and peel off them. Just like this. Perfect. And mash sweet potatoes while they are still warm for the best result. After mashing the sweet potatoes, portion out 1 cup to use in the flatbread dough and reserve the leftover mashed sweet potato in an airtight container for another delicious recipe later. Now in a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour and a pinch of salt. To the flour mixture in your large bowl, add 1 cup of mashed sweet potatoes. Use a spoon to gently fold the ingredients together until just combined. Then using your hand and knead the dough. If the mixture seems wet and sticky, then add a couple tablespoons of flour and allow the dough to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Dust your work surface with flour. This will prevent the dough from sticking while you shape it, and then shape the dough into a long log. And after that, divide the long log into 7 or 8 pieces or portions. And then gently roll each piece into a ball. Perfect. Now, on a lightly floured work surface, take 1 dough ball and gently flatten it with your hand. Then use a rolling pin and roll out the dough until thin. Just like this. Perfect. Heat a skillet or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, carefully place 1 flattened dough into the pan and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then use a spatula and flip it over every 30 seconds. You might see bubbles forming on the surface of the flatbread. As it cooks, you can gently press them down with a spatula. And repeat with the remaining dough balls and cooking them following the same method. Cook them as we discussed before, 1 at a time, until you have a delicious stack of sweet potatoes flatbread. Sweet potato flatbreads can be stored in the freezer and defrosted when needed. However, they always taste best when fresh. You can reheat the sweet potato flatbread in the microwave or on the stovetop. Once each flatbread is cooked, stack them on top of each other and buttered or brush with olive oil. The oil or butter will keep them soft and add flavor. For a soft and fluffy sweet potato bread, wrap it in a clean dish towel. The towel traps steam and preventing it from drying out. I'm so happy with how my sweet potato flatbread turned out. Cooking my sweet potato bread was so much fun and it smells amazing. Just look at this beautiful sweet potato flatbread. It's incredibly soft and perfect with butter. You have to try it. Lovely. This is one of the easiest and tastiest sweet potato flatbread recipes I have made. The best part is you don't need to knead it too much, and yet it does give you a soft, tender flatbread that can be eaten on its own. That's super simple, guys, and it's really is not difficult to make. This is absolute perfect. Just look at this. How much soft, tender, inviting, just perfect. I love it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. As a tradition, I like to have my black tea ready before serving the food. So tea comes first and then the food. Sweet potato flatbread is super easy to make and requires minimal ingredients. It stays soft and flexible and is high in fiber, fat-free, and a good source of vitamins. Overall, sweet potato flatbread is a delicious, nutritious, and fun alternative to traditional flatbreads. They are easy to make at home and perfect for a variety of meals and snacks. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of sweet potato flatbread. This is Rosina here, and I'm going to show what can you use this sweet potato flatbread for. The uses for this flatbread are endless. Sweet potato flatbread can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature. As appetizer, top it with feta cheese, fresh herbs, hummus, or other dips. And since it's very soft, these flatbreads are perfect for wraps. Fill them with grilled vegetables, roasted chicken, or falafel and make a beautiful sandwich. Or enjoy alongside soup, stews, or curries, or as pizza base. Or for breakfast, top with butter, honey, or scrambled eggs. What else? They are perfect. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you are looking for some contents like this, please subscribe to this channel. I will catch up with you soon for another recipe. God bless and lots of love. Bye.